Now I am going to change the profile, that means to update the profile information. I am going to show you. For example, if I start work with the user, then in order to change the profile, user must have to log in first. So give Smith 1234. When he will log in, here you see dashboard, and with the dashboard I am going to show another one here, that is the for example edit profile. So here edit profile. Okay, so here if I just refresh it, you see edit profile, or here edit, I am going to remove it, only profile. Okay, so here will be profile route. In the web.php I am going to create another route here, that is the profile. So it will be into the dashboard here in this location, because this is a secret route. Not everyone will get access to this route until they log in. So here is profile. So here will be also profile. So profile will be a function in the user, here user controller. So I call here public function profile, and like this. So I will just show the user profile here. So after login, it will be shown here. So return view will be here user.profile. So into the user I will create the profile, that means here it will be profile.blade.php. So in the profile.blade.php, like the registration, I am going to copy the data, and here I paste it. So user top is okay, here it will be the profile page, and here error success, it is okay, it will be profile submit, or here profile update. You can just show here the profile update, it is also okay. So you can like this, or profile submit is okay. I am not going to change it now. Here you know the user has the photo also here, right? So here I will check it first from the user. You see there is a photo. So as there is a photo, I will use here enc type equal to multipart from data, and here also I will give to change the photo. So here it will be the photo. Input type equal to, here it will be file. So input here type equal to file, name equal to photo, it is okay, and name. But here in the case of name, the existing photo, here one thing to understand, that is here existing photo will be shown if there is any photo, and you can then change the photo. So user will first see his information, that is existing information, and then the change photo. So change photo is this, and in order to show the existing photo, here I will write the asset, and here I will create a folder into the uploads, public uploads, and then I will write auth guard, and then user, then photo. Guard will be web guard. Okay, so how I use here this, I will show you, no problem. Here style equal to photo white, for example not 100%, here I will give 100 pixel by height equal to 100 pixel, for example. No problem. Or height, here you can show the auto. So wide is 100 pixel, height is auto, it is also good. And here you see uploads folder. Where is uploads folder? Into the public, you see there is nothing. So I am going to create a uploads folder into the public, and my data will be uploaded into the uploads folder. So if the user has existing photo, that will be shown. Otherwise here it can be happen that no photo found. So here if you want, you can apply this. If WebGuard user photo equal to null, then something, otherwise photo will be shown. So here instead of showing, I am going to show no photo found, otherwise the photo will be shown. And the WebGuard web user and other information will be shown here. For example, placeholder, I am going to replace it by value. Placeholder is okay, no problem. Here it can be the value, but placeholder is not important here because I have already the name here. So in the value I can put it, that is the WebGuard web user. Here it will be name. Okay, so this is the value. Also into the email I am going to use the value equal to web. Here it will be email, and password and confirm password are separate things, and here it will be the update data. And when everything is okay, then profile submit will be okay. So in the web guard I will have to write here, that is the profile submit. So it is the post out, it is the post okay, and here it will be profile submit, and the name will be profile submit. So profile submit will be another function here, that is public function profile submit. So it is a post route, so I put here like this, and here I will update the data. So in the profile I will show other information also, because not only name and email, there are many other information. For example, you see in the user profile with the photo, there is phone, address, country, state, city, zip. So you will have to write here the phone, and here I am going to give here the phone, and placeholder not needed, I am going to remove the placeholder. So phone is okay here, phone, then there is a address, and then I am going to give address. So here address, phone, address, then there is a country, so country here, and here I write country, and then I am going to write state, so state here, so here state, so a country, state, and city, zip. So here I am going to write the city, and here is city, and the last one here you will have to give the zip code, that is zip, and also here I write the zip. And password is optional, if you want you can give the password or not. So how I can update the data, I will show you here. So here the basic information, for example, the name and email is mandatory. So name and email he must have to give here. So when I will go to give the update, then name equal to required strength like this. Now here I am going just to make it simple, not everything. I am going to make it simple. Required email is okay, unique users email, but it will just skip one thing, that is auth user of ID. So that means here auth guard user ID, okay, auth guard is equal to web guard. So this one it will skip, and other email, that means the current email it will not check, because the current email is this user's own email, so it will not check that. Otherwise other email it will check. So in the users table the check will be happened, and all other fields are optional. If the user wants he can give it or not, that is also okay. And password I am coming here later. So user here is phone, so there is a phone, so phone is this, then address, city, state, country, and zip code, okay. And there is another one is, that is the photo. So here you will have to check that is if request of photo, if request of photo not equal to null, or if request of photo, what will happen. Here you see the existing photo is actually into the auth guard web user of photo, right? So here I will first check if request of photo means the user is going to change the photo, then it will check the MIMES type and all other things, if it is valid or not valid. And then the final name that is coming here, I am going to give here the final name, and here this is user photo, right? So here I am going to write a prefix, that user, and in order to make it unique I write this. Extension is okay, request photo move it is okay, but before move I will have to unlink the photo. So here I will check that means if the file exists, or here what I can do, here I can do another thing, that is if the request photo, you know, the request photo, and if request photo not equal to this one, no, here I am going to apply the technique not this way. So if request of photo, then this one is okay, but I will have to unlink the existing photo. So this one I am going to cut and I am going to paste it here. So user find, here is auth guard, this is a web guard. So in this way, or here I can use the where id equal to, in the user table I will get all the data where id equal to this, and I am going to write it fast. So where id equal to auth guard user id, logged in user id. That means the existing user data is in my hand in this way. This request means he is going to change it or not. So existing photo will be, so if the user photo not equal to empty, then I am going to unlink the user. So unlink public path uploads user not needed, it will be user of photo. Okay, and the new user, that means request photo move means the new photo will be uploaded into the uploads folder, not user. Uploads folder is okay, and final name will be the name. Otherwise, that means if the user does not want to change the photo, it will be the existing user of photo. So this will be like this. So this final name will be changed, and that means this is the final name. And here, if the request photo otherwise not update, if you want, you can just do this, that is the user of photo equal to what will be the name. I will give here the final name will be here, this is this one, this is also okay. So user photo equal to final name. So I hope it will work. And similarly the password, if request of password, here I am going to cut it from here. So like the photo, I am going to check if the request of password, that means if there is anything in the password, then not like this. Here I will have to request validate the password. So password, confirm password will be validated. If everything is okay, then only it will make the new password, that is user password will be updated, and hash make request of password. So okay, now I can try to check it. So let's do that. So refresh, and here I am going to click on profile. You say this is my profile, update. Profile updated successfully. How I can check? For example, Smith Cooper is his full name. So I am going to give Smith Cooper update. You see updated data is into there, and if I refresh, you see the name is updated. So the data is updated. And here if I input all the fields here like this, not these fields, sorry, so all the fields are changed. No, I am going to submit it. Phone is, for example, like this. Here is address 45 street, country is USA, state is CA, city is NYC, zip is like this. I do not want to change password, only information. You see information is updated. If I now refresh it, you see all the data is inserted here. So user data is updated. Now I want to change the password. So if you do not change the password, it is okay, but if you give this, it is giving you error. The confirm password field must match the password. Now the data cannot be updated because you are going wrong to give wrong information. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 I am going to give the password, that means the change the password update. You see profile updated successfully. If the password is successfully changed or not, how I can understand? So just go to logout, but here you see there is no logout. So instead of showing the logout into the dashboard, you see in the dashboard normally there is a logout, but not here. I am going to apply the logout into the top. So where there is a profile, here I call the logout, and it will be like this. Okay, so refresh, you see logout comes here. If I click here, logout is happened. Now if you want to see the profile, you cannot see. So now Smith's password is changed. If you give 1 2 3 4, you cannot log in because his password has been changed, and it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, it is working. The password has changed successfully. I am going to back the previous password 1 2 3 4. Now log out again, and I am going to give the Smith 1 2 3 4. So yes, it is working. Now I am going to upload the photo. If I go to check the public, you will see in the uploads there is no photo. But now I want to change to upload the photo. If you give anything as the photo, for example, if I want to upload a PHP file, it is not possible. It must be an image. Okay, so it is working. Now I am going to upload the photo. So what photo I can upload? I can change the photo. For example, from uploads, I can change user photo. That means which photo I can upload. Any person photo or any photo I can upload. So click on here, you see photo updated, profile updated successfully. This is the photo. So if you go here, you see Smith's photo is here. If I go here, you see this is the photo of the Smith. So it is working and Smith's photo is showing here. Now I change the photo, so previous photo will be unlinked and new one will be uploaded. So here I want to change the photo, refresh, you see, yes, the photo is uploaded and the previous one is not here. That means that is removed and new one is updated. You see, new one is updated. So previous one I bring here because that was the person photo, looks good. So here I am going to give this photo as the latest photo. So it is okay. So this one. So log out, and similarly David can update his own photo also like his. So david@gmail.com 1234. I will just update the photo. Okay, so the photo can be this photo can be here. You see the two photos. This one is the Smith photo and this one the David photo. So it is working without any problem. So user photo and other information is uploading and it is working. Similarly, what I did in the case of user, I am going to remove this one. So in the user controller, what I did in the case of profile and profile submit, I am going to copy these two. And for the admin, I will do the same thing. So I am going to the admin controller, and in the admin controller, I am going to bottom and here paste it. So similar thing is here. So what things I will change, that is admin.profile will be there, and here it will be unique admins, and auth guard will be here admin, and here it will be admin, and here it will be admin here. Okay, and guard will be also admin guard, and here this is okay. Admin underscore will be the admin photo, and where there is a user, I will replace all the cases, that is admin. So admin photo. If there is any photo in the admin, first I check this, otherwise the photo will not be needed. Admins, you see photo is there. Okay, so in the admin photo, I have replaced all the user by the admin here. Now I am coming here, admin password, admin name, email, and what other things are not, only the password, name, email, photo and password. So name, email, these are not in the case of admin. I am going to remove it. This is admin. Okay, so admin has name, email, and this is password, and this is photo. Total 4 items admin can change here, and this is okay. Profile, and into the admin folder I will have to create, that is the profile.blade.php, and here I am going to copy from the user, copy this and paste it here, but in the top there will be nothing, and it will be the admin profile page, admin profile page. And in the case of admin, if you want, you can do the top also for the admin. That was in the case of user, it will be better. Okay, I am coming there after sometimes. Here it will be the admin guard will be here will be admin, and change photo is okay, and here it will be admin profile submit. Okay, and here I give, this is the admin, so name, and there will be an email, and admin has no phone, address, other things, so I am going just to remove all the data. Password is okay, password will be there. So now let's check it. I am going fast here, but before going there, I am going to my web, and here in the admin controller, here there is the user profile, right? So copy this And in the case of admin, that means after the dashboard I am going to paste it. So admin profile will be automatically here, no problem. Here it will be admin controller, profile submit, and it will be admin profile, and it will be admin profile submit. Okay, so now what I can do, I am going to refresh, and it will be actually the admin login. And when admin will log in, then this 1 2 3 4, and here you see log out. But in the admin dashboard, when it is logged in here, this is the dashboard. So what I can do, in the admin dashboard I am going to open, and this is profile. Okay, so in the admin I can call here a top.blade.php, and similarly what was in the user, like this, I can copy this, and here I can do something. So here there will not be like this is not needed, only logout. I will put here logout and dashboard and profile. So dashboard, and here I will write profile. So in the admin top only these things will be here, and not other. So it will be dashboard means admin dashboard. Here it will be admin profile, so like this, and it will be admin logout. So dashboard, profile, and logout. This one admin, into the admin profile page I will call include admin.top. so it will be admin.top. So in the profile and dashboard also it will be here, and logout should not be here anymore. So this is there and this is here. So I am going to apply the same thing like the user, that is welcome message, welcome to the dashboard, welcome to dashboard. So something like that you can show, no problem at all. So refresh, you see this is the admin system. You can call it after the header also. This one I can call after the dashboard, and profile also here. So this is okay. Now refresh, you see after the admin login, here this is dashboard and this is profile. Okay, dashboard and profile. So here no photo for the admin name is this, email is this. Similarly you can update it, profile updated, but this looks bad. So it is actually better if I write it into the top. It is the better position. Okay, so it is better. So update, profile data is updated successfully. Now admin name, for example my name is Morshidul Arifin, I am the admin of the website. Update. Now if I go to the update, you see my name is updated. So now I am going to upload my photo here, upload. Okay, so it is working, right? So similarly it is working what was in the case of user. So it is working. Password 123456. If I change the password 123456, you see profile updated successfully. If I log out and now I try to log in again with the previous password, it is not working. So I will have to give the new password 123456, and now you see I am logged in. So in the profile I am going to give the old password, easy password again, and now I am again going to check if it is working. Admin 1234, it is working again. So in this way you can update the data of the admin. So the whole authentication system, that means the complete multi authentication system is working, and I hope you understand everything that I have explained here.